Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, what do we got here? This is Trader Joe's Natural Turkey Jerky. This one's teriyaki flavor. Hey, Mike Foster here. It's another Mike Tries. Now, I like trying stuff. I wish they gave me this stuff for free, because I'm plugging it for them. But this is, I like to have lean protein. And this is a really good shot of lean protein. This is made from turkey. It's got 60 calories a serving and 11 grams of protein per serving. And there's only 4 servings in this little bag, so you probably could get maybe 2 servings at one pop and get 22 grams of protein. It's got a little sodium at 270, but other than that, I think it's going to be pretty good. Let's give it a rip and give it a try. All right, I'm digging in, as you can see. All right, here's a piece. Let's try this little piece right here. It doesn't taste that salty. I taste the teriyaki. It's nice. Nice and chewy. A little lighter feeling for me than beef. I'm not a big beef jerky guy. I like turkey jerky. This is really good. It's tangy. I taste that teriyaki. And I'm getting my protein. Nice snack, better than potato chips. But not as good as a carrot. If you're looking for lean protein, and you got a Trader Joe's by you, check this out. Turkey jerky. I think that's the thumbnail right there. I think it is. For more videos like this, check out my Live Life 365 channel on YouTube. And keep living life 365. And trying to eat healthy. I think that's considered healthy. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
If you're not getting enough exercise, or this is good exercise, you just keep chewing. Then marching, chewing and marching. Marching around the house. Sweet Babu. I'm leaving. Go bye, funny man. Well, I really am going. Going downstairs now.